This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text on your KineMaster video. So if you have been struggling with adding text on your KineMaster video, then this video will help you just do exactly that. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now we have here a video and it is on my timeline, and I'd like to add a text here. To add a text, just go ahead and tap on this layer option. And from layer, you will see we have text here. Go ahead and tap on text and then go straight away and begin to enter your text. So I'll go ahead and enter my text like that. And once you're done, just tap on this OK and your text will be inserted. And now you can see you can expand your text if you so wish, and also you can move it whenever you want. Alternatively, you can also resize your text so that you make it appear on the whole video. If you want it to appear on the whole video, you can just come to this text timeline and then expand it by dragging it end to end, just like this. And it will appear on the whole of the video. Now, if we go ahead and play the video, you can see the text has been applied. Let me move it up here like that. Now you can see the text runs from end to end and it has been applied on the whole video. If you want the text only to appear on a section of the video, then go ahead and reduce the size by tapping on the text timeline, and then go ahead and reduce the duration such that it aligns with the specific spot you want it to appear. I'll also go ahead and drag it from the other end like this, and I only want it to appear here. So if we go ahead and play, you can see our text will only appear at that specific spot. So that's how you add text on your videos in KineMaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.